I'm Jordan Buck, co-founder and president of Cadro. Cadro is a modern asset manager backed by some of the titans of our industry. We invest across all asset classes, but have a very deep expertise in private markets and a strong social conscience. One of the reasons why we started Cadro was because DC pension money is currently completely unable to invest in private markets. So they're missing out on 99.9% of companies in the world, and they're missing out on all of the companies that are innovating and developing new technology, new science, and we're looking to solve that.
I'm Gary Smith, and I sit on the advisory board for Cadro. With over 35 years of experience of corporate pensions and investment, the whole world has changed over the last 30 years, and within that it's not surprising that the financial and investment markets have changed. We're seeing a material growth in businesses that are investing and truly transforming the world in which we live. The majority of those companies and businesses are privately funded. It's simply not available to fund and support those businesses through the traditional public market.
As society and technology and trends change, the way we invest should change as well. I find it really frustrating that I and millions of other members are restricted to public markets only. We can't even put 5% of our pensions into an asset class that's going to help us fund the future of science, innovation and technology around the globe.
The venture capital sector is an extraordinary sector in the UK. We have the most developed sector in Europe. The returns from UK venture are well beyond returns from the public markets. If you took the 5 and 10-year investment returns, the venture capital industry is returning over 14% versus 5% on the public markets. We are an outperforming asset class. IQ Capital is a deep tech investor. We're investing in really early stage, IP-rich investments. IQ Capital backs extraordinary visionary founders. As a venture capitalist, it is absolutely phenomenally exciting to be able to work with these founders and see their visions come to fruition. We've invested in Paragraph, transforming graphene. We've also got companies such as Neurovalence, transforming the markets of obesity and pre-diabetes. And we have technologies such as Nyobolt, which is transforming the battery tech market.
Hi, I'm Sai Shivareddy. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Nyobolt. I started Nyobolt about 4 years ago to help bring ultra-fast charging to electrification of transport and decarbonization of the grid. We're doing this by building high-power batteries that have ultra-fast charge capability to bring full charge to vehicles in just 6 minutes. Deep technology businesses like ours require a lot of capital up front to really prove out the technology in a product form. To do that, you need teams with deep expertise in that sector, and to recruit such teams, you need a lot of money up front. So venture capital is critical here, and without venture capital funding, a lot of companies such as ours would not exist. Money follows opportunities, and opportunities that give great returns is usually what investors are looking for. And in our context, we are addressing an opportunity where we are helping decarbonize our energy sector or our transport sector. At our inception, we were worth about £1 million. We announced last year we were valued at 300 million.
Enabling DC pensions to invest in the UK's venture capital funds is essential. We're experts in our fields. This enables us to see the very best of propositions throughout the UK and Europe. It enables us to really ascertain which companies have the best potential to generating outsized performance.
I think there's a perception that private markets might be riskier than public market investments. I'd probably argue the contrary, actually, that ignoring private markets in itself is a big risk. These companies provide a huge amount of diversification, opportunity, some very significant growth potential, opportunity for your portfolios, and enable you to actually invest, frankly, in the future of this world and the future in which many of your members will be retiring into. It requires specialism to access those markets, much the same as it does with any area of investment. Firms like Cadro are there to work with you and bring that specialism to support you and your members in accessing those really transformational business opportunities.
We understand the position of trustees and the challenges they face, which is why we're so passionate about helping them start that journey, informing and educating on private markets and the huge impact for good they can have on our planet.
Why wouldn't we as trustee boards, why wouldn't our members want to be investing their retirement savings in some of these transformational businesses, with the benefits that they provide and the return potential that they offer?
There's a long road ahead here, but this is a generational opportunity, and now is the time for trustees to act.